So first I'm going to start off by getting these letters off with some alcohol. I got this little swear jar thing. It has like a slit at the top. It is technically like a change jar, but I got it from Michael's and I thought this would be perfect to make into a book nook. Pretty excited. So I can't use the original back that came with it just because Bob's head, my Funko Pop that I'm using, is too big and it won't close. So I'm just going to cut some fabric, and I thought it might make it look more like a backdrop, kind of like he does on his TV show. So yeah, I'm just going to cut that out, and then I'm going to take out the little side prong things that keep it closed because we don't really need those. And then I'm just going to glue it on there. So I'm just using some E6000 glue. You could probably just use craft glue, but I like this glue because it's pretty strong. I'm also going to glue down Bob, the Funko Pop, and the easel because I don't want him moving around and stuff if I want to move books or something. I'm going to prime my little canvas just because that's what Bobby would do. I know people think it's weird, it just makes your paint brighter. So, yeah. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but it's the beginning of the episode and he already has it sketched out. So I'm just gonna do that real quick before I follow along. Okay, so I don't have black gesso that he was talking about, but I'm just going to use black paint. I'm sure it'll have the same effect. So here we go.
Okay, and with that, let's have some fun. What the heck? What the heck? Has to be a crazy painting in every series, and maybe in this series, this is it.
I think that's pretty close
Tap a little color
to
into
what he
this.
just mixed. We'll see.
Just a little.
Just a little. Okay, so I'm going to wipe my brush off and get
Makes a
this.
big decision. Maybe
Oh.
there, bro. There lives some. My partner Annette, she thinks these are the neatest paintings when they have backlighting. So maybe we'll dedicate this one to her. Annette, this one's for you.
Aww.
There we go.
That's so sweet.
Just drop that in. But all you're worried about now is just basic form and shape. We're not concerned with much of anything else at this point. Later on, we'll worry about things. Right now, we're just having fun.
Heck yeah, we're having fun, Bobby. I'm here for it. Mine doesn't look as good as yours, but, you know.
Let's take.
I don't know.
Let's take. Let me grab the old liner brush.
It's okay.
Put
I'll be
paint
okay.
powder on it. And we want to sticks.
Oh, okay, we're switching to a small brush. This is not a drill. Yay, small brushes. I don't know if you can tell.
Just a few here and there. Wherever you think they should.
Look at all of them. Look at. Y'all, I do this for a living and he's still going back. I'm like, oh, trying to catch up. It might not be so bad if I had, you know, a regular sized canvas. That might help. Man, this is rough. Okay. Oh well, what can you do?
Top of that thick paint. Okay. Let's see. I have several little brushes. You want to be grabbing another?
Oh, he hit it. Oh, it's not a good idea for mine. It almost fell over.
Titanium white and a little. Arms on this tree.
Oh, you gotta make those noises or they won't work. I love it. Oh Lord.
Tell you what, I'm doing this because it's going to be just like we did on the other side.
See if we can find. Ooh, this one might be better.
I mentioned earlier in one of the shows that I met a fantastic lady in Florida by the name of Carmen Shaw. And she's allowed me to come out and film some of her animals. And she has some of the most beautiful little Florida
Nope.
deer here. Aren't those beautiful little characters?
Oh, there's Bobby and his animals. He's so
I like these
sweet.
little characters. Once again, pay attention to the shape and form and all those little things when you're doing your own paintings.
I'm trying, Bobby. I'm
I
trying.
know you get tired of hearing me say that, but it is so important.
I agree.
So
Thank you.
important. There, because I want you to be happy with this.
Oh, thank you, Bobby. I want to be happy with this too, but I don't know.
Brush that has
It's looking pretty rough.
another layer here. Each layer is getting a little darker. And as it comes out of this bright, intense light, maybe we'll begin seeing a little color in some of these. There we go. Okay, just think about the shape that you want this tree to be and the limbs that are hanging over.
Okay.
As I say, I really like these black canvas. This black gesso is one of the neatest things that I've ever seen.
Product placement there much, Bobby? But it's okay, I get it. That's how you made your
It's allowed
money.
me to introduce a lot of ideas into
cool.
For a long time.
Thank you for your contribution.
People myself.
Sweet. I'm here for it.
And there's some of them pretty good ideas. There's a lot of companies now that are making different colored gessos, etc.
Okay, it's starting to look a little better.
So, enjoy it. Let's take a little bit here. Just put a few little things in there. I'm going to start getting into some color very quickly. So I just want a few little tips sticking out. There. That's really about all I want. Maybe, tell you what, let's make some individual little bushes right here. See? There's one. And we'll give him a little friend that lives right about there.
I think that's white and phthalo blue,
But you can
right?
create it. Just layer after layer after layer. Try to do one bush at a time.
Yeah, that's what
Sometimes
she
it looks
said.
like 'cause we're in a hurry.
Okay, let's do it, Bobby.
Look at
Let's
that.
do it.
Look at that. Now we've got some color in our leaves.
Whoa, what's this?
Underneath. So it's going to get darker and darker.
Whoa,
There it goes. Follow the old tree
what's
root
this, Mama?
like so. Where?
I read one of them.
Okay.
Hey, I want to paint this little picture.
Don't be afraid to put a dead painting in your painting. Dead tree in your painting. Boy, I messed that up.
I'm not afraid of dead trees. They're
It's
prettier.
over your eye teeth and you can't see what you're saying. There. Like so.
Okay, pause. Okay, now I can get this dang tree. actually found this little easel at Walmart. It was on the end cap of their like craft section with a little canvas, and I was like, whoa, I need one of those. So it was pretty awesome. Anyway, I do a coat of white, you know, for priming, and now I'm just doing some silver because I want it to look like metal like Bob Ross's easel. Okay, time to cricut it up again. I'm just doing Joy of Painting logo so it looks like the TV show. Another benefit of this box is it looks like he's in a little TV. I love it so much. Thank you so much for joining me for this Sunday's We Craft on our new day, Sunday. Woo! So, we made the Joy of Painting Bob Ross Book Nook. It was a lot of fun to make, and doing it this way made it easy, so it was pretty fun. So I hope you follow along, and you could always find the episodes on Hulu of Joy of Painting, so that's pretty fun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe so you can see a new fun craft every Sunday. Thank you. Have a good day.